Hi, I'm Chris Adshade, and my presentation for the virtual 2021 National Guild of Hypnotists Convention is the pocket watch? Really? Well, decade after decade, hypnotists have tried to get away from the negative stereotype and the image of the pocket watch, and it hasn't happened. So isn't it time that we turn that around and make it a positive image, but also use it to reinforce our clients' goals? So I'll be discussing the history of how this started and why it keeps following us. How you can use it during the pre-talk, the induction, whether it's a progressive relaxation induction or a speed induction, confusion induction, and how to use it to anchor your client's goals. So who is this presentation for? It's for the new hypnotist, it's for the veteran, and anybody in between. So isn't it time that you tried something new? So I look forward to seeing you at the 2021 National Guild of Hypnotists Convention. See you there.